Welcome to DianaMariaStudio.com. Today, I chose a very popular baby shower theme, Woodland with forest characters. These adorable baby shower favors are so easy to make. Grab the template from DianaMariaStudio.com. Print your favor cards at home on your home printer or at your local print shop. Cut out your favor cards. The size of your favor card is 4 by 6 inches. Cut the belly circle with a 1.5-inch circle punch. Insert your lip balms. I'm using the Sweet Mint lip balm for this design, but there's so many more dress colors and lip balm options. Voila! Your Woodland baby shower favors are ready to impress your guests. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video.